Hi there, and welcome to the Collibra Community. I'm Alex, and in this quick video, I'll walk you through how to navigate discussions and start your own post. Discussions are forums in the community where members ask questions, share tips, explore best practices, and collaborate. From the homepage, head straight to the discussion area. Here's the main discussion hub. At the top, you'll see tags. These help you explore posts by theme, like workflow performance or system optimization. To the left, you'll see categories. Each category focuses on a topic, such as announcements or data governance. You can view all categories here, where you'll find the number of members and discussions. Ready to start a conversation? Click Start a Discussion. First, choose the appropriate category, add a clear and concise title. Select the category for your post and assign a few relevant tags so others can easily find it. Then, write your description or question. If you're posting a question, give your readers as much information as possible. Screenshots are always helpful. When you're done, just hit save. After posting, you'll get notified if others comment or interact with your discussions so you can keep the conversation going. That's it! Posting and exploring discussions is one of the best ways to learn, connect, and make the most of the Collibra community. See you in the forums!